How to change your name on Instagram. If you want to change your name on Instagram, here's what you need to do. Open Instagram on your phone, and then tap your profile at the bottom right, and tap Edit Profile, and tap on Name section, and just type your new name on Instagram. For example, like this. But keep in mind, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. If everything is good, just click on blue tick at the top right and change your name. And your name has changed. So that's all the tutorial on how to change your name on Instagram. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And see you in the next video.